Trading for Beginners, a step-by-step guide to getting started. In this video, we provide a comprehensive guide for beginners looking to enter the world of trading. Whether you're interested in stocks, Forex, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments, this video will walk you through the essential steps to begin your trading journey with confidence. 1. Understanding the basics. Start by familiarizing yourself with key trading concepts such as stocks, bonds, commodities, and Forex. Learn about market orders, limit orders, bid-ask spreads, and other fundamental terms. For example, understand that a stock represents ownership in a company, and buying shares means becoming a partial owner. 2. Setting up your trading account. Research reputable brokers that offer trading services in your desired market. Compare factors such as fees, trading platform features, customer support, and regulatory compliance. For instance, your plan might involve aiming for 10% annual returns by trading stocks based on technical analysis indicators like moving averages and MACD. 4. Fundamental and technical analysis. Learn how to analyze market data using both fundamental and technical approaches. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating a company's financials, industry trends, and news events to assess its value. Technical analysis involves using charts, patterns, and indicators to predict price movements. For example, you might analyze a company's earnings reports to assess its financial health or use candlestick patterns to identify potential reversals. 5. Risk management. Understand the importance of managing risk in trading. Determine how much capital you are willing to risk on each trade and set appropriate stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Calculate risk-reward ratios to ensure potential profits outweigh potential losses. For instance, you might decide to risk only 2% of your trading account on any single trade and set a stop-loss order at 5% below your entry price. 6. Practicing with demo accounts. Take advantage of demo accounts provided by brokers to practice trading without risking real money. Use these accounts to familiarize yourself with the trading platform, test different strategies, and gain experience. For example, you can practice executing trades, setting stop-loss orders, and analyzing charts using historical price data. 7. Developing discipline and emotional control. Recognize the psychological challenges of trading and develop strategies to overcome them. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your trading plan and be disciplined in executing it. For instance, you might practice meditation or use techniques like journaling to reflect on your emotions and make objective trading decisions. 8. Continual learning and improvement. Understand that trading is a lifelong learning process. Stay updated on market trends, economic news, and trading strategies. Read books, attend seminars, join online communities, and consider finding a mentor to enhance your knowledge and skills. For example, you might read books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or take online courses on technical analysis. Trading for beginners can be an exciting and potentially rewarding endeavor. By understanding the basics, setting up a trading account, developing a trading plan, conducting fundamental and technical analysis, managing risk, practicing with demo accounts, cultivating discipline, and continuing to learn, you can lay a solid foundation for success in the trading world. However, it's important to remember that trading involves risks, and losses are a part of the journey. It takes time, practice, and a commitment to ongoing improvement to become a skilled trader. Patience, discipline, and emotional control are key traits that will help you navigate the ups and downs of the market. Ultimately, trading offers the opportunity for financial growth and independence, but it requires dedication, education, and the willingness to adapt to market conditions. By following the steps outlined in this guide and approaching trading with a long-term perspective, you can embark on a journey that has the potential to transform your financial future. So, take the first step, educate yourself, and immerse yourself in the world of trading. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and continuously refine your skills. With determination and the right mindset, you can unlock the doors to a world of possibilities in the trading realm. Good luck on your trading journey.